to today's video. So today's question is, a Bluetooth headphone is sold for rupees 1100 cash or rupees 500 down payment followed by rupees 620 after a month. Find the rate of interest charged under the installment plan. So the total selling price of the Bluetooth headphone is rupees 1100. So you are having an option, you can give 500 as a down payment followed by rupees 620 after a month. Once you are giving 500, then what is the remaining amount? The remaining amount to be given is 600. But instead you are giving 620 after a month. So there is some interest involved. Instead of 600, you are giving 620. So some interest is involved. So you have to find the rate of interest charged under this installment plan. So how to find out the rate of interest? You already know that amount is equal to principal plus interest. Then what is the formula for interest? Interest is equal to PTR divided by 100. So this formula you can use here. So what is A? A is the amount. So here what will be A? A will be 620 because the principal 600 is becoming 620 in a month. So amount is equal to 620 and principal is equal to 600. So applying the formula you will be getting 620 is equal to 600 plus 600 into what is T? T will be the time period. So here it is 1 month. So 1 by 12 into R is unknown. R is what we have to find out. So R divided by 100. So what you will be getting? 20 is equal to 1250. So 50 R by 2. Okay. So here you are cancelling 12 and 50. And here 50 and 100 when you are cancelling means you will be getting 20 is equal to R by 2 or R is equal to 20 into 2 which gives you 40%. So 40% is the interest charged under the installment plan. You might have seen questions from EMI or monthly installments or likewise. This is a very basic question under the installment plan. Now let's go to question number 2. A mobile phone is available for rupees 6,000 or for rupees 3,000 cash down payment together with rupees 3,600 to be paid after 2 months. Find the rate of interest charged under the scheme. Again a basic question similar to the first question. To make it thorough, I have included this question. So what is given here? Either the mobile phone can be bought for 6,000 rupees or you can give 3,000 rupees as cash down payment and then you have to give 3,600 rupees after 2 months. You are given a time period of 2 months and after 2 months you have to give 3,600. Actually how much you have to give? You have to give only 3,000. You have already given 3,000. So the remaining amount is 3,000 but instead of 3,000 you have to give 3,600 after 2 months. So there is some interest involved and you have to find out the rate of interest. So again the same formula, you know, amount is equal to principal plus interest. So here amount is equal to 3,600. We are paying 3,600 after 2 months. So it becomes the amount and principal is equal to 3,000. So the formula will become 3,600 is equal to 3,000 plus again I is equal to PTR divided by 100. So what you will be getting? Again 3,000 plus 3,000 into time period is the time involved. Here it is 2 months. So 2 by 12. Into R by 100. So what you will be getting? 600 is equal to, here this 100 and this 2 zeros it can be cancelled. So here 6 will come and here 5 will come. So 5R. 600 is equal to 5R. So what is R? R is equal to 600 divided by 5 is equal to 120%. So whenever you are going for down payment, you have to calculate the rate of interest. Here you can see 120% is a huge rate of interest. So just for getting a time period of 2 months, you are giving an interest of 120%. So whenever a down payment is involved, you calculate the rate of interest and then you can decide whether you have to go for a down payment or a full cash payment. In the coming videos, we can see advanced questions from this topic and thank you for watching.